So yeah, I thought I would take more videos, so just to show you around. Yeah, I didn't introduce myself. Well, it's not important. So we are in Malibu, actually. I see so many mansions. So there's the beach. Yeah, and famous waves that attract so many surfers from all over the globe to this location. Yeah. Well, my eternal question is, can you compare number of people here to number of people in any other place? Well, in a way. But again, there's no fair comparison. Because, well, people in different places do different things. So, for example, here, not many people swim. Most of them just play down, bask in the sun. Whereas in Miami, they would mostly swim. Yeah. Well, if you compare the view of this place to a view of any other place, yeah, well, you cannot beat this view, basically. Mountains and like slight mist in the distance, and there's a horizon. All this time you can actually see it, but when we drove here, you will not be able to see the horizon. It was kind of lost in the distance, but now you can see it. Oh yeah, and this is the place we just ate. Pretty good one. A lot of seafood. Very quality. Our crew. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's it.